Welcome to our channel Money Management. Here in this channel we are committed to give you best of the knowledge through short videos. Today in this video we learn about the ways to earn passive income without investment. In my earlier video I have explained the ways to earn passive income with investment. However, many of us would also like to learn the methods of earning the passive income without investment. While we understand and learn the ways to earn passive income with investment, I would request you to have a portfolio mix of earning passive income with and without investment both. By keeping a right proportion based on our needs, we can generate a handsome return regularly. So let us discuss passive income ideas without investment options. Freelancer. We can work as a freelancer. Here, as freelancer, we have to start earning active income. There are so many websites like Upwork, Freelancer, In, and other who actually hire the freelancers. Let us understand how we can convert this active income into passive income. We can take the contracts or work over these sites and start working. When we understand that the amount of work is more and the working hours getting less, we have to gradually build a team who is capable of doing the work. If we have a knowledge about the work, getting the work done automatically becomes easy since we can support our team to do the work. The quality and the time deadlines are extremely important in case of freelancing jobs. Many of the time, the persons giving and taking the work have not even seen each other. So, it becomes further important for the freelancer to build an environment of trust by timely delivery of the assignments or job keeping the high level of secrecy as desired in the project. Here, there are further advantages. If you are able to build a team, you can even assign the work to do by them at their home, thereby saving the office expenses also. Insurance selling. This is also a very old and traditional method of earning passive income. There are many people who got into the insurance selling after retirement to generate a regular income. Here, you can start insurance policies, becoming an agent, but gradually you should have in your mind to become distributor or development officer as per the terminology of the insurance companies so that you can start building your own team of insurance agents. For selling the insurance policies and even mutual funds, which is being explained next, your people management or convincing power has to be very strong. Even it is not very strong, you can develop the same with regular interactions with people. There are more advantages in the insurance selling. Though you are making efforts in selling the insurance policies initially, but the income is being generated for the time till the persons keep on paying the premium. So, the income generated thereafter every year would also be considered as passive income. Mutual fund selling. Mutual fund selling is also a very good area. While commission amount is comparatively less, but once you are able to generate or make bigger corpus, the commission amount becomes higher. Here, again like insurance selling, though the efforts are there to add the investor initially, but the commission amounts are earned every year till investor is there. Another advantage of mutual fund is that it is still an unexplored area wherein the possibilities of adding the number of investors is quite high. Videos making on YouTube. There are so many videos on YouTube for how to earn from YouTube. Depending upon the skills you have, You can start making YouTube videos and start helping people with your skills. Everybody have some or the other skill. Whatever you can share, where you think it's important, and act like a teaching content. There is a very high possibility of earning. This also I would like to consider as passive income because the efforts in content writing, video making is one time, but the money is earned in long run. You can become a consistent YouTuber and keep on learning money regularly in your account. Here, I would like to request you that you should not make videos for earning. Make the videos for learning and let the earnings follow automatically. Selling online courses. Whenever we open the YouTube videos, there are many advertisements coming up to sell courses like public speaking, seminars, teaching academics, share markets, and so many others. You can sell these courses over your own websites, over the YouTube themselves by getting someone join your channel. Even you can make courses and start selling on websites like Udemy or other platforms. The course content should be good. Videos should be made professionally with a very good picture and voice clarity. Creating a website or app for others. We can also learn the short duration courses like digital marketing or website making. There are a lot of people who want to enter into business and create website. This is equally important for the people already in business. Having a website or an app is a kind of must in selling, and the demand for the same is also increasing. By learning the same, you can create additional income. Efforts would be there for making the website or app, but the maintenance fees you can get would be additional every month and can be earned in form of passive income. Further, the income can be increased by selling up the small office and hiring people. Mixed portfolio. This is also a very interesting but slightly typical. I will explain my point with an example. Suppose we have an office and we have a staff of 5 members working from 9 to 5. We select the mixed portfolio where we can make website, sell insurance, make videos or do the content writing for others. Now, there are peak and lean hours for every business. You can't start selling insurance at 9 in the morning. The prime time peak hours for selling insurance is 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. Now, you and your staff is free for 3 hours, 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. and 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. Let us give staff the job of creating website, writing video content in these 3 free hours. Then you are running 3 business instead of 1, and also to generate passive income, you can give commission based on sales instead or addition to the regular salary. So, these are some examples of generating passive income without investment. I am trying to make videos for most of the schemes given below. You may please go through these videos and also gain further knowledge by visiting government websites wherever applicable, and also discuss with your financial advisor to have a complete understanding before you invest your capital. So we are thankful to you for visiting our channel and watching our video. If you like the video, please share it with your friends and also press the like button. For staying connecting with us and for more videos, you are requested to subscribe our channel. Thank you.